Open the front passenger door. Go to Settings, navigate to Safety, and scroll to the bottom to select Power Off. Turn off the display screen. Take out the main control box from the packaging. The first layer contains the user manual and accessories. Remove the display screen and set it aside. Take out the longest component, which is the main control box. This will be installed in the vehicle first. The package includes a prying tool for installation. Remove any floor mats or items obstructing the installation area. Pull back the original rubber seal from the bottom up. Detach the triangular side panel by pulling it outward. There are 5 clips and 2 curved clips holding it in place. Next, remove the door sill trim. Locate the screw securing it. Use the prying tool to lift the screw cover and unscrew the expansion bolt. Once removed, locate the seam near the seat where the sill trim begins. Use the prying tool to separate the white clip from the trim before pulling it up. Hold the rear trim in place while lifting the front. Once loose, pull the trim backward instead of lifting it up. If any clips remain attached to the car frame, use the prying tool to remove them. Take out the main control box and wiring harness. Locate the empty gray connector on the vehicle's side panel. Disconnect the existing connector. Find the 2 smaller connectors from the main control box wiring harness. Plug them into the corresponding vehicle connectors until you hear a click. There are 2 remaining connectors, one male and one female. Insert the male connector into the empty vehicle socket. If the vehicle has power-operated doors, this port is used for system integration. Otherwise, leave it empty as a reserved connection. The main control box handles data transmission and functionality control. Before securing the main control box, test the installation. Connect the dashboard display to the main control box. Use a power source, such as a power bank or the vehicle's power port, to turn it on. Check if the dashboard synchronizes with vehicle data. For example, if the door is open and the dashboard displays this status, the installation is correct. Once verified, proceed with final installation. Step 5. Securing the main control box and reassembling trim panels. Tuck the main control box into the side panel gap and secure it. Reinstall the door sill trim in reverse order. Insert the front section first and snap the clips back into place. Align the metal latch with the corresponding hole and push it in firmly. Secure the lower clips as well. Reinstall the expansion bolt by inserting the outer ring first, then pressing the center pin. Reattach the triangular trim panel by aligning the 5 clips. Press the upper part first, then push the lower part into place. Finally, tuck the rubber seal back into its original position. Now, the main control box is securely installed and fully functional.